Ebusuya Kojo Nsafoa de nsem bi atodwa onim Kojo Nsafoa engineer se obo no homodin pa ba MPP abakosem mu e ba nyankane amu nsem de a oya ade ye pa ode nsem bi atodwa de afa MPP mu ebusuya nkohwe sa video ne mbra wi a ye bede hu nkomo
mecha obi bia se my mohu video ya mesramo mo video we enko obia oye MPP babunu MPP panyini ana obia owo ekrom ha odo MPP amanyoko mo video yi enko ne ho say ansana mekas ma mekan no ibema yenana otekoko so shedding adekese ato asantima yani na say yenyina ebeba na wotweda no ya baba sum video biblia eko ni pepi commente me pese me ka ho bibi kakra ye papa ye nua ye bibia Bryan Acheampong honorable Bryan Acheampong Eastern Region oyi video na emse nyoma kakra bia ye mu bi no pese obibia so etiase no cray say honorable Bryan Acheampong campaign 2024 o my ska e won the region mu ano pay me busa ye no in 2 million Ghana cedis 200 Ghana cedis and all the ma polling station for no 2 million old cedis na opesan koka na no cray wom ni say 16 regions ni nyina no enyo no nko a na emeska e won the region mu say yinua no mu anom wa ban mu MPs ana bibi kakra e wo mu nsam ye campaigner enyoma mienu di onibie ede na ho odemboa de nyame na dom a kakra so won nsam no ono so ede kakra eboa na bia ebu also na ho odin ene kakra eboa enti in all the 16 regions no some of the ministers and the MPs decided say instead say this can never command national party and national party ache no nyina be fa regions ni bi na omaiden omama contributions to the PCs no any omo hia sika ewo region nim ede aye campaign adwuma ye papa inua Bryan Acheampong Eastern Region honorable Nitiwu I know say he did a lot in the north Amin Hunter bi Afenyo Markin bi Mr. Honorable Esiamano a trade minister bi yenyana mo maso a ebi bo mo abosuom esu ye bi ye maame Hawa Kumsen onu su ye bi ye maame na atoshi bi listen doso all the 16 regions and look in some say ba pieces na mono omom this kanema mono mon kan kire mon kofo say yeso ye region yi mu no asomasi say and ma sika say e wo region mu in Ashanti region there were other pieces there were other ministers and other people almost here then emeska every month biano na ye diska eso pieces ne campaign asene e wo region mu enti mesremo memma nipa baako engina ho enka se ono me de mintumi nka 2020 asem because mintumi nka 2016 asem because 2016 na mini ho na 2024 de ami kujupoku minim de koso nti no memma nipa baako bi engina ba bi mfantu no ho se sika ode ma eso party ase no ebi nsida nipa bebre 16 regions no nipa bi craft regions no ebi fa mienu
now ebusuya me gidi se wa hwe video no nanso na be komu no ebusuya me nka o sa ya Ghana Nsem TV enia me yakoso Ghana Nsem asisi Ghana na de bra wa asai onim se MPP osno go come your call nya adom on the 31st of January 2026 back to abade the flag bearer of the new patriotic party na eno ena Nsem ebre yakoso obetina kene Agyapong na ma na mabua party no me bikwa de kene jabo e betwa ntro bi se 1992 obo party ne $3 million amachiwe engineer cabinet Japan I don't say one of the aspirant because massa you dey lie people cross at time no use kaka pound was just $10,000 so who konya $3 million as at 1992 massa ntrobi wo twa anohye do twa no zo twa na we na nansen week yi mu ana say man ba konso no so you say a friend no yi Kwawu Elon Musk Bryan Acheampong enso bet jina ho yi be bi na cheso no so de ne de ne number bi na ska was spending na den na masa ena Kojo Nsafoa aka say hwe de mo ye no emboa mo you know the fact is say Obia ye na asfa mu de. Obia ye na afa mu de. Yen ye de yahodin yes media space ye wo ye numbers no. Se ye ka se etimi ka send ni etimi cheche mu chira manfo no. E de be boa de page e be support it. Obi nso be akotale posters wa support it. What you see we be call grounds ko ye campaign. Ni nyina kan kwan ye fa so a ye support party no amana etimi win power. Enti se wo de usika boa doesn't mean say why ye bibi a esom boa. She say wo say won ye som wo party ni mu. Isa se wo de usika na buy and say nipa no no so ase ho no anje ankwa ankoye adwuma na nka sika na so mba mfa so. What you say? So mba mfa so. That's one thing we need to understand. Enoti no matter the amount of money now we spend no. Hunu say we yiba and there is no one ono no je akwa ye adwuma na epese enkoye na. At the end of the day, that's kana we ye no. It will not bring any benefits. So everyone contributes in a different way. And at the end of the day, no, and on the boa mountain ko to me no. What you say? So it is time you people stop being like, oh, me na me ye say na me kofa hin be ye say. Obia yebi. Obia ayebi. And enya nkwa na wa yebi. Dodo na anso ayebi. Ti say I ka say eja na obi abeka history a nke be ka ma de achi ye nkan wie. Esa say obi kura no no bua low key a ono no on be dede. What you say? Or bua low key on be dede. Eta me feel doctor about me no the man ska was spending wo party ne baton kasa. What you say? The MPP party never to about more be candidate and as a flag bearer. Enya wo dede na ba be gina on some yi ska na me ye we na me na me kofa be ye we bossa. Enya ne ye show ye pa adwene no de na adwene mu do a obetimi de policy se betimi abebo ma enya MPP nko a. No to na de bia me ka say doctor ba o me na the best no. What you say? You say ye small Bryan Acheampong nya na motentin. Na kasa de do awo nso entop onko. Kasa do do entop onko. Ena aboa no ntaka na eden. E mane kasa mu ntaka bone de afinyam kwatre kwa. Ntine nya okasa bebre no a wa be kasa no. Ena e ma MPP for akoto aba ma wa be flag bearer. Oni ye kra be chwe, your action speaks louder than your words. So let your action speak, not your. Some of you talk too much. You talk too much. And it's not helping. Honestly speaking, it is not helping the party. Mon tone down kakra. Na mon clean campaign. Mon sell mu message and farmer delegates, no. Mon can show the reason why they should vote for you as the flag bearer. Because sekeska they are. Nke bi ko bi woska sen mo. What you say our party ni mo. Obi woska sen mo. That's the truth. So mon clean campaign. Tell the delegates what you can do. The reason why they should vote for you as the flag bearer. It is not about the amount of money you spend or you know, we should be truthful to ourselves and start telling ourselves the truth. I think that's the only way a bit me boy. Yes, that is the only way a bit me boy. Aside that, in say, I say because we are sending money the Amboa party no. What you say, I can say. And don't you know? Send your number to Kojo Nsafoa can't Sabe pepe. How do we get on same TV? The am just so. And I promise the blog. The best time I say, or best subscribe it. Am I? Share. I have a 7 like it. Why? Share with most the who are by 3K, 5K, 10K. No much 100 penna like a serum. At least never 10K a share. The move 5K moon like it. The more I'm liking and so push video the man video near them. Echo. Comment. No bet me love emoji can no send or comment section or on a serum. Namunya ne sana bibi anya kama. Na e kama so yakopon hira mo say e post bia nso mo be hwe mo data mo waste yakopon eden amboa me na bibi mo nyesa na free no on share den on share o man fama mo na bibi anya kama.